Good morning, Plateau. Good morning, Nigeria. I am the Duke of Oratory.
My name is Musa Usman. I'm a senior citizen. I started the Heritage Shop about a decade ago after my retirement. So I have a collections of various traditional heritage from different ethnic groups across the country. Most of my very best customers, so to say, people within the locality promoting their cultural heritage, including the local communities, the students, and also some people who are into the business, like the photographers, and also some government agencies. They know this shop. They have been coming from one thing to another on daily basis.